Looking to get organized and move projects forward with Jira? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a task in Atlassian Jira using the global Create button. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a well-defined task from anywhere within Jira, and you'll understand what key details to include so your team is clear and productive. Let's jump right in. The global Create button is your best friend in Jira, mainly because it follows you everywhere in the app and always opens up the detailed task creation dialog. So, starting from wherever you are, maybe you're browsing your sprint board or looking at a project backlog, just look up to the top navigation bar. You're searching for a button labeled Create, which is often blue or green for easy spotting. Go ahead and click it. If you're new, don't worry. Jira's designed this to be intuitive, and it's the same button across the board. Once you click Create, you'll see a dialog box pop up right at the center of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Let's go through the fields one by one and talk about why they're important. First, you'll need to select the project where this task will live. There's a drop-down menu for this near the top of the dialog. This isn't just administrative. Assigning your task to the right project ensures everyone who needs to see it will see it, and it keeps your work organized. For example, putting a feature request in the marketing project could cause confusion, so double-check you've picked the right spot. Next up is issue type. Depending on your setup, you'll see options like task, bug, story, or even epic. For most straightforward work, you'll want to pick task. The issue type helps your team quickly understand what the purpose of this item is. Is it a bug to fix, a story to develop, or a simple task to complete? It's a key piece of Jira's workflow system. After that comes summary, which is a mandatory field. Think of this as the headline for your task. Make it clear and descriptive, something someone could read in a list and instantly know what it's about. For instance, update landing page hero image, rather than just update image. This little bit of effort makes your backlogs much easier to manage later. Below the summary, you'll find the description box. Here's your chance to shine. Add all the relevant details, context, instructions, or criteria that someone would need to actually complete this task. Being thorough here is a real time saver down the road. It means fewer clarifying questions, less confusion, and faster execution. For example, you might specify what the new image should look like, or link to reference material. Now, time to assign the task. The Assign A field lets you pick who will be responsible. You can assign it to yourself, or to a teammate. If you leave it blank, Jira might auto-assign it to the project lead, or the task could be left unassigned depending on how your project is set up. So, if you know the right person, go ahead and select them. This helps everyone know who's on point. There are two more optional fields that can make a big difference. Priority lets you indicate how urgent the task is, from low to critical. Setting the right priority helps your team sort tasks effectively. So if something is time-sensitive, don't skip this step. And if you know when the task should be finished, use the due date field. There's a date picker for convenience, and it can be reassuring to see clear deadlines in the workflow. Once you've filled everything in, double-check if your details are clear and accurate. This will save time for everyone later. Then at the bottom of the dialog, just hit Create. If you happen to need to make several tasks one after the other, say breaking down a large project into steps, check the Create Another box before you click, and Jira will reload the dialog, ready for your next task. And that's it. You've now created a task in Jira using the global Create button. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like so others can find it too. If you have questions or want to share your own Jira tips, drop a comment below. I read every one. And of course, for more tutorials that keep your workflow sharp, subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching.